This is pretty much by far one of the simplest VPN application. Once you open the application, we'll ask for connection request. Stop on OK here. We'll start connecting the VPN in no time. You don't have any server. You don't have any thing here where you can select or server section or anything like that. You just get connected at the same time you open the application pretty much. And you pretty much get 1-2 minutes of connection time, which is crazy. So listen, if connection time doesn't do anything, and you'll be able to add 3 minutes of connection time, which is even crazier. This application here doesn't even let you add 3 minutes of connection time. Sometimes the adds low, sometimes it doesn't. And do keep in mind, these servers do not work properly. So I'm pretty much connected right now, but I'm not getting any internet connection as well. So do keep in mind for these VPN applications. I've reviewed a lot of them. I don't recommend you using these applications. Keep seeing people asking me to review them. So here they are. See you in the next one.